I used to feel like I would never be able to buy a house, like I would need 3 jobs just to have a decent life. And I realized something that changed the way I think about money forever. A paycheck is the most dangerous place you can be in. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I stopped living paycheck to paycheck and the mindset shift that made everything change. Hi everyone, I'm a software developer turned online entrepreneur, and I want to be honest with you from the start. This video is not just about budgeting tips, it's about completely changing the way you think about money. Because the real reason most people stay stuck paycheck to paycheck has nothing to do with how much they earn. It has everything to do with how they think. Let me show you exactly what I mean. A paycheck is not financial security. It feels like security, but it's not. And I learned this the hard way when I got fired. I was performing well, I had just received a raise, and then one day, without much explanation, it was everything gone. And I remember thinking, I built my entire financial life around this one source of income. And with one decision from someone else, it disappeared overnight. That's the reality of living paycheck to paycheck. It's not just about not having enough money. It's about having your entire financial future in someone's hands. And the stress that comes with that, the anxiety every time you have a one-on-one with your boss, the fear of an unexpected bill, the feeling that you'll never be able to build anything real. That stress takes up so much space in your life. I would say money stress is one of the biggest sources of anxiety in adult life. And the only real solution is to stop depending on one source of income that you don't control. The first thing that changed it for me wasn't a habit, it was my mindset. For a long time, I was living with a scarcity mindset, thinking there was never enough, the money was hard to come by, that building real wealth was only for other people. When you operate from a place of fear and lack, you make decisions from the same place. And those decisions keep you exactly where you are. The shift happened when I started understanding something fundamental. Selling your time will never make you truly financially free. It doesn't matter how hard you work, it doesn't matter how many hours you put in. If you are trading time for money, your income has a ceiling because there are only so many hours in a day. But when you self-value a product, a system, a guide, something that exists independently of your time, your income has no ceiling. You can make money at any hour of the day, while you sleep, while you travel, while you live your life. That realization completely changed how I think about money. And it is the foundation of everything I have built it since. Now let me get practical because mindset without action is just a nice idea. Before I quit my job, I had a very specific plan. And I think this plan is what made everything work so smoothly. I paid off everything I owned. I cleared my debts before making any big moves, because debt is the thing that keeps most people stuck. It chains you to needing that paycheck every single month. I saved 6 to 12 months of expenses, not just 1 month, because I wasn't quitting to figure it out. I was quitting because I had already figured out. And I needed a cushion that gave me peace of mind, not a panic. I built my emergency fund separate from my savings, untouched, just sitting there for the unexpected. And most importantly, I started my side income before quitting. I waited until it was making consistent income for 3 to 4 months in a row before I even considered leaving. I see so many people creating videos about I quit my job without a plan. Okay, good for them, but that was never my approach. My plan was to quit and never go back. So I made sure the foundation was solid before I jumped. And here's something I deeply believe about money and energy. Because I had already built that foundation, I wasn't in a desperate energy when I quit. I wasn't thinking, this needs to work or I'm finished. I was relaxed, confident. And I believe that energy matters. Money flows toward confidence, not desperation. Building an online business completely changed how I think about money. For the first time, I could see a real future, not just surviving month to month, but actually building something real. Buying a house, creating wealth, things that felt impossible on a single paycheck. And here's what the internet does that nothing else can. It lets you scale. I have clients from all over the world. I make make money at any hour of the day because my business doesn't stop when I stop. Someone in different time zone buys my product at 3 a.m. while I'm sleeping. That happens every single day. And the feeling of waking up to sales, of knowing that your business is working while you rest, that is a feeling I never want to give up. It's like a superpower. You create value once and get paid for it over and over again. That's the opposite of a paycheck to paycheck. That's building real financial security on your own terms without any company's permission. Let me give you the practical steps in the exact order I recommend. Step 1, fix your mindset first. This is the most important step and most people skip it. Work on your scarcity mindset before anything else. Because if you believe deep down that money is hard to get, every action you take will reflect that belief. Step 2, clear your debt. Debt is the anchor that keeps you chained to needing a paycheck. Make a plan, pay it down systematically. Start with the smallest one so you can build momentum. Step 3, build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses minimum. Separate account. Don't touch it. This is your peace of mind fund. And peace of mind changes everything about how you make decisions. Step 4 is start a side income before you need one. Don't wait until you're desperate. Start building a second income stream now while you have a safety of your paycheck. This is the smartest thing I ever did. Step 5, learn how to sell. I cannot stress this enough. Learning how to sell is one of the most valuable skills you will ever develop. Once you know how to sell, you can build an income from almost anything. Step 6, invest in yourself. Every dollar I have invested in learning, in courses, in guides, in knowledge has come back to me many times over. Your skills are your most valuable asset. Invest in them. Here's what I want you to understand about financial freedom. It's not about being rich, it's about not being afraid. Not being afraid of you losing your job, not being afraid of an unexpected bill, not being afraid of the future. Financial freedom is waking up and knowing that your income doesn't depend on one company's decision, that you have multiple streams working for you, that you build something real. Fix your mindset, clear your debts, build savings, and the path to get there is not as complicated as most people make it. Start a side income, learn how to sell, and invest in yourself. That's it. None of this requires a huge salary. It requires intention, consistency, and the decision to stop accepting that paycheck to paycheck is just how life it is. Because it doesn't have to be. So here's the recap. A paycheck is not security. Real security is building income that doesn't depend on anyone else's decision. Fix your scarcity mindset first, clear your debts, build your emergency fund, start your side income before you need one, learn how to sell, and invest in yourself consistently. I built this from zero, and if I can do it, so can you. And if you want the complete step-by-step system for building your first online income stream, I am documenting everything in my free series here on YouTube, 0 to Thousands Building from Scratch. Link in the description. And if this video gave you value, hit the thumbs up, it really helps, and subscribe to this channel because there is a lot more coming. See you on the next one. Bye!